Embark on a journey towards a cleaner, healthier smile with the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. This isn't just another toothbrush, it's a leap forward in oral care technology, designed to provide an exceptional cleaning experience. Manufactured by Procter Gamble, this electric toothbrush boasts advanced features that set it apart from traditional manual brushes. According to the manufacturer, you can expect 100% more plaque removal in just a week and up to 4 times more along the gum line compared to a manual brush. One of the standout aspects of this toothbrush is its ability to deliver a personalized clean. With iOSENSE technology, you'll receive real-time coverage, time, and pressure guidance directly via the charger, without even needing to open the Oral-B app. This ensures a superior clean compared to a regular manual toothbrush. The iO toothbrush comes with a dentist-inspired round brush head designed to remove surface stains for whiter teeth from day one. It's not just about aesthetics, though. This power toothbrush is engineered for optimal performance. Convenience is key with this travel electric toothbrush. It comes with a charging travel case and a 3H fast charger, making it ideal for those always on the move. The display always tracks your battery level, ensuring you're never caught off guard. Protecting your gums is crucial, and the iO pressure sensor does just that. It signals if you brush too hard, too soft, or just right, ensuring an effective and safe clean every time. This rechargeable toothbrush offers a carefree switch, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Real users have shared their experiences with this toothbrush. One delighted customer, who has been using Oral-B products for years, found the iO 10 to be the best they've used yet. Another user, despite initial issues with connectivity and the travel case, eventually found solutions and expressed satisfaction with the clean feeling it provided. To get the most out of your Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, follow the instructions carefully. Rinse the handle and toothbrush head as directed to maintain its performance and avoid any buildup of dried toothpaste. Experience the future of oral care today. Upgrade to the Oral-B iO Series 10 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush for a cleaner, whiter smile that lasts. Whether you're seeking a personalized cleaning experience, advanced technology, or convenient on-the-go brushing, this toothbrush delivers. Embrace the change, embrace better oral health.